In this lecture, we will solve quadratic equations using the square technique. And before we start, we need to make sure that the leading coefficient is either 1 or not 1. In this case, it's 1, so we can proceed and do our 4 steps without dividing each term by the leading coefficient because it's 1. So as the first step, we will single out the binomial, getting the free term on the other side, and do our little table here. 4 in this b in this case is 4, half b apparently is 2, and half b squared is 4. This is what we need to add to both sides of the equation, so it's balanced. And by doing this, we obtain the perfect square trinomial right there. And we can factor it out using that term. Remember, we discussed this in class. And just add algebraically those two numbers. And the equation is now ready to be solved using the square root method that we learned the week before. So we can write that this is equal plus minus radical 3. And in order to obtain the solution, minus 2 should go on the other side. And these are our two roots for this equation. We will similarly do this problem. Again, the leading coefficient is 1. And the binomial is already singled out for us. So we will start doing the table. B in this case is minus 2. Half b is minus 1. And half b squared is 1. This is what we will add to both sides. So this is a perfect square trinomial emerged right there, and we will factor it out like this and just add. And why I put 6 here? It's 1. Of course, we're adding 1 right here, and 5 plus 1 is 6. I added already. That's why I put 6 there. And again, the equation is ready to be solved using the square root method. So we can write out that it's equal plus minus radical 6. And again, 1 goes on the other side with the opposite sign. And these are our two roots for this equation.